If x equals t plus 1 by t and y equals t minus 1 by t, find dy by dx at t equal to 2. Given that x equals t plus 1 by t, we will differentiate this with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to, we know d by dx of x equal to 1, therefore d by dt of t is equal to 1, plus we know d by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. D by dt of 1 by t is equal to minus 1 by t square. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by t square. If we take LCM, we will get t square minus 1 divided by t square. So this is dx by dt. Given that y is equal to t minus 1 by t, therefore dy by dt is equal to d by dt of t is 1 minus d by dt of 1 by t, it is minus 1 by t square. This is equal to 1 minus minus 1, so 1 plus 1 by t square. If we take LCM, we will get t square plus 1 divided by t square. Now we have dx by dt is equal to t square minus 1 divided by t square, and dy by dt is equal to t square plus 1 divided by t square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt is t square plus 1 divided by t square, whole divided by dx by dt is t square minus 1 divided by t square. T square gone. We have t square plus 1 divided by t square minus 1. This is dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx at t equal to 2 is equal to, we will substitute t equal to 2 in the dy by dx. So t square plus 1 becomes 2 square plus 1 divided by t square minus 1, that is 2 square minus 1. This is equal to 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, divided by 2 square minus 1 is equal to 3. So dy by dx at t equal to 2 is equal to 5 divided by 3.